bell icon, like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi, my friends are coming over, so I am going to ruffle up a quick snack using whatever is in the kitchen. This is all I found in the kitchen. Let's make something from this. I have peeled and cut the potatoes into wedges. Can you guess what I am going to bake today? Yes, baked potato wedges. To this I am going to add salt, oregano, chili flakes, and oil. I am going to add all these ingredients to the potatoes. Salt, oregano, chili flakes, and some oil. Now I'll mix it up. Now I'll dip it into a lined baking sheet. I am going to add a few cloves of garlic into it. Now it will go to a preheated oven at 200 degrees for half an hour. Don't forget to flip them midway while they are baking. While my potatoes are baking, I will make a quick dip of my homemade mayonnaise, which you have seen in the last video, and hot and sweet sauce. First we'll add mayonnaise, and then some sauce. I am going to mix them. This is nice and crispy. Time to plate them. Absolutely awesome. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.